Hey guys! Welcome back. So we kind of haven't done this in a while because so much has happened like this.
The National Coronavirus Command Council has decided to enforce a nationwide lockdown.
And that. And that. But today is actually a very special day and we thought it'd be worth it to do a vlog, and we're very excited to take you guys along with us. It is Dylan's birthday! But Dylan said I'm way too excited for his birthday, but just, you know, just celebrate.
So we heading off to the waterfront now, where we're going to be taking a helicopter flight, which we managed to get on Hyperli. We'll put the link in the description. Yeah, so we're going to take you guys along for that flight and also for the rest of my birthday. Okay guys, so we're at the V&A Waterfront now, heading off to NIC helicopters, where we're going to check in for our flight. Okay, so we just checked in, weighed in. I saw my eyes a bit red. Does that mean I'm catching a red-eye flight? Letitia, get to the chopper!
Get to the chopper!
So our 8-minute helicopter ride was absolutely amazing. We went around the Sea Point area, we saw Bantry Bay, we saw Green Point all from the sky. It really is worth every cent that we spent on it. Yeah, so I enjoyed that it's Dylan's birthday and I get to experience his spoils as well. But we're currently at the V&A Waterfront Food Market because we're really hungry and it's time to eat. So I must keep the birthday man happy. We are currently at our accommodation for the night. So we're at Villa Tarantal. It is out in Tulbagh. It is beautiful, luscious. It's so green around us. And just on the other side of this video is the swimming pool. So I'm looking forward to laying on the lounger inside the pool. I don't know, are you going to take a swim?
Yeah, I am. I'm going to hop in also on there.
Later on we're going to go for supper, and then tomorrow morning we're heading out to destination number 2, another Hyperli deal. So thank you Hyperli for not sponsoring this birthday vlog, but yeah, we got all the specials from your website, so thank you for allowing couples like us to live our best lives. So how's your birthday going so far?
Okay, so a bit of a change of pace. We're now in the picturesque town of Tulbagh. We checked into a guest house here called Villa Tarantal. The owner recommended this restaurant, Obiqua, at Taker's Drift, and it's really tranquil here, and it's beautiful, and I think this is the perfect end to a bit of a rush this morning. Okay, so I'm actually looking at the menu right now, and they have Mexican food. So I normally enjoy some Mexican food on my birthday, and we've come to some small little town, and this place has Mexican food and the Tex-Mex food on the menu. So definitely gonna have some of that.
Good morning everyone. So we out in Church Street in Tulbagh. We just came to do a drive-by to say thank you to this lovely town for hosting us for one night. We had a good night's sleep at Villa Tarantal, and we are definitely recommending it to anyone who wants to come out here to go and stay there. Please try the self-catering cottages so that you also have access to the hot tub, and you can also do a little self-catering braai, which is really nice. So thank you to Joanne and Angie for hosting us. We'll definitely do some reviews for you on Hyperli and on Google. Yes, that ends this part of the birthday vlog, but the birthday weekend continues, so we'll see you in our next destination. Guys, Dylan just told me to tell you to like and subscribe, because we are that people now.